How to fix Google Chrome high memory uses on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Google Chrome high memory uses. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Having many tabs open can consume significant memory, so you have to close Unused tab. For that, launch Chrome browser on your device and tap the tab switcher, the square or number icon at top right corner of the screen. You can simply review and close the tabs that you don't need by swiping them away or tapping the cross mark next to the tab. Once done, you can easily clear the browsing data as well. Over time, cache data and browsing history can contribute to high memory uses. For that, select three dots at top right corner and then choose Settings option. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Tap Delete Browsing Data and then you can easily choose Basic or Advanced as well as the time range. Check mark the data that you want to delete and tap the delete data option at bottom right corner and then select the delete option. Make sure that you are using the updated Google Chrome. Running an outdated version can lead to memory issues. Simply open Google Play Store on your device and then search for the Google Chrome. If you find any updates, simply you need to select that and update to the latest version. Once done, you can easily check whether your Google Chrome high memory users issue has been fixed or not. If not, simply hold on the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart and restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can help you fix Google Chrome high memory uses. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.